Kung nandito ka na sa part na to, I assume meron ka ng account sa COL Financial and ready ka nang mag-invest sa stock market. So, congratulations sa'yo! But, kagaya ko rin dati, baka nawindang ka rin sa interface ng COL website. So, in this video, I will teach you kung paano i-navigate ang COL website, kung paano mag-buy, mag-sell, and mag-withdraw ng stocks and funds. Hopefully, after this video, manavigate mo na on your own yung website and makapag-invest ka na and makapag-trade and kumita on your own.
And so log in. Don't save the password. Never. Okay. So this is the COL Financial or COL Financial website. Welcome. You will see 6 tabs. My home, quotes, trade, research, street smart, and mutual fund tab. So first, let's go to home tab. Ano bang meron sa home tab? Meron ditong change profile. So this is where you obviously change your profile. And then let's go to home, and that's where you'll see latest research. Yan. And then you can try to take daily notes, let's say. Yan yung mga research na ginawa ni COL para tulungan yung mga stockholders kung ano yung magandang stocks yan for today and yeah. There are announcements and news. This part, you will see the actives, gainers, losers, markets. Actives, you'll see there the stocks na may pinakamaraming nag-trade o kaya maraming bilihan, may buy and sell. And then, gainers, yung pinaka tumaas ang presyo, and losers, yung pinaka bumaba ang presyo ng stock. And then next is the markets. Yan yung iba't ibang stock market sa iba't ibang lugar or bansa or international. Yan. So let's go to the next, the quotes tab. Sa quotes tab, dito nyo na makikita ang this part, stock list. Obviously, this is the list of stocks na pwede nyong bilihin sa stock market. So, ayan, ang dami-dami nila. And then, yung naka-blue, pwede nyong itik yan. Let's try, ano ba dito? BDO. Ayan, let's try to tick this, BDO. And then, lalabas na yung kanyang screen. This is, you guessed it, BDO Unibank. Kahit isulat mo yan ng BDO dyan, sa part na yan, yan din yung lalabas. Okay? So, that's called ticker. So, here, you can see the green ones. Meron dyang bid, and then yung red is yung ask. Yung bid, yan yung presyo na gusto ng mga buyers na, like, yan yung presyo na bibili ng mga buyers. And then yung ask, yan naman yung presyo ng mga nagbebenta or ng mga sellers. Okay? And then, in the right side of the screen, makita mo yung previous and then yung last. Previous is the 140 and yung kahapon, and then 141 is yung ngayon. And then board lot is the increment or the minimum amount ng stock na pwede mong bilhin. And then let's go to watch list. Watch list, let's try to add BDO. Add. Okay, so obviously, sa watch list, ilalagay mo lang yung mga stocks na binabantayan mo. O ganyan. Ito, bibilin ko na to pag ganito na yung presyo. Ganon. Yarn. And then, we'll go to, let's try naman tell. Ano ba yung tell? That's PLDT. So, nag-red siya. Ibig sabihin, bumaba ang presyo niya today. Okay, let's go to trades tab. Char lang. Later na yan. Mamaya. Explain ko sa inyo yan. Let's go to research muna. Research tab. Very useful ang research tab. Yung calling the shots. Kasi yan yung mga researches na ginawa ng COL to help the investors choose the right one. Yan. Pwede mong basahin yan. That can help. And then here under fundamentals, you will see investment guide. Ano bang meron dyan? Meron ditong buy, yung green, and then meron ding nakasulat na hold. And then yung mga stocks. Ano yan? Suggestion nila yan kung mag-buy ka ba na nito sa price na to or wag muna. Hold muna. Yarn. And then let's go to charting. So charting, yan na yung titingnan mo kung tumaas or bumaba ang presyo ng stocks. So, sa stocks, sa ano na to, RLC, Robinson's Land Corp. Ayan. Yung kita mo yung chart niya, tumaas siya, bumaba siya. So, pag mababa, dyan sila bumibili. And then, kapag mataas, dyan naman sila nagbibenta. Okay, yan yung madalas tinitingnan ng mga active traders. May mga strategy yan. Pwede nyo namang panoorin sa iba pang mga YouTuber na nagtuturo kung mga paano basahin yan. Paano mabili ng stocks? So, let's go to Trade tab. This is it. The most awaited. You'll see merong buy and then may sell na button. So, for now, let's take the buy and then good till canceled for 60 days. And then, stock code, let's try to put the RLC or Robinson's Land Corp. And then, yan yung information niya. Ilan yung board lot? 100, diba? So, 100 ilagay natin dyan sa number of shares. And then, price. Dito tayo titingin sa bid or sa ask. Ayan, depende. Ang presyo niya ngayon is 14. So, kung gusto mong bumili ng mas mababa, pwede kang bumili ng 13.50 or 13.9. Basta mga ganon. Alright. 573 na ko. Hindi na go through kasi nga, dapat per 100 na. I mean like, 100, 200, 300 yan. 500 tinry ko. Let's check. Ayan, na-go through na. So, this is the confirmation page and then you'll see that there's total charges 23.45 pesos. Ayan. So, every time magbabay and magsisell, merong transaction charge. And then, pag sure ka na, ready ka nang magbili ng stocks, you can input your password and then click buy order. Okay, that's it. And then, you'll just click trading history to check kung nag-go through na ba yung buy order mo. And then, you can see here, executed. Ibig sabihin, yes. Nakabili ka na ng stocks ng Robinson's Land Corp. Now, let's take portfolio to check if nasa portfolio na natin siya. Yes, nandiyan na siya. Ayan na. Then, how to sell naman. How to sell the stocks na binili mo. So, kung mas mababa mo siya nabili, and sa mas mataas mo siya ibebenta, mas goods yun. Dapat talaga ganun palagi. So, kung ready ka nang ibenta yung stocks mo, malaki na yung, feeling mo malaki na yung tinubo mo, go na to Trades tab and then tick the sell button. And then again, let's try good till canceled yan. 60 days. Let's put again the RLC code and then the number of shares. So, here meron kang 500 actual shares mo. Kung ibibenta mo lahat, pwede mo ilagay yan dyan. And then, kung magkanong price yung ibibenta mo. So, kanina binili ko siyang 14. And then here, 14.50. Pero, hindi yan ganyan na. Pwede mong ibenta yan ng like 18 or 19. Depende sa'yo. Okay. Kung kaya mo namang maghintay kung kailan yan mabibili. Again, here, may total charge na naman. 68.99 na. So, malaki na pag nag-sell. Kung okay naman sa'yo yan, ready ka na, i-go mo na yung pag-enter ng password mo again, and then tick the place sell order button. So again, every time na magbabuy and sell, let's hope na hindi tayo malugi. Instead, kumita tayo every transaction. Okay? Place sell order. Okay, that's it. And then you can tick again the trading history to check kung nag-go through. Now, let's go to mutual fund tab. Ito na. This is for long-term investment, no? Like 5 to 10 years. But we'll not discuss this for now. Maybe for next video na lang. Paano naman mag-withdraw? So, para mag-withdraw, you go to Trade tab and then click Portfolio again. Under there is the withdrawal request. Just tick that and you'll see important announcements and you can just click OK kung okay na sa'yo yan. And then you'll see their terms and conditions and everything. You just read through it and then accept. And then you'll see here the like form kung saan online withdrawal request. Ayan, magkano daw yung amount na i-withdraw mo, kung i-deposit ba nila yung pera sa bank account na nilagay mo sa nung nag-sign up ka. Ayan. Kung yes, you can confirm and submit. Submit na, girl. Sige na. Okay na yan. May 100 raw na charge pag mali yung bank account mo. Yan. And then, magpipick up ka na lang ba ng cheque? Gusto mo bang cheque? Kung hindi naman, edi i-no mo na yan. And then, click submit. Yan, may pa-reminder na naman. And then, basahin na lang and close. Sa cheque yun, oo. Kung cheque nga ba ang gusto ko, ay ayoko Gusto ko ATM. Ayan, sabi niya lang dyan, may mga pa-holidays daw and mga weekends, walang pa-withdrawal yan. Pa-banking hours kasi yan sila nagbibigay na. Siyempre, pera. So, yes, may pa-confirm dito. Kung ready ka na, buo na ang loob mo, girl, ipasok mo na ang iyong password and click confirm. And then that's the withdrawal request, summary, and the transaction number, and that's it. Congratulations, you did it. That's COL Financial. Click like and subscribe and watch for more.
This is the third video sa My Money Works For Me series natin. And I hope you were really able to learn and buy your own investments. Sa next video, may papakilala ko sa inyong hot na investment. Siya si REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trust. Parang stocks din siya, pero mas generous siya. So, mas bet ko to. Click the link in the description box for that video and click the like button para hindi ka malugi. Kita-kita na lang sa next video.